A water dispenser is a useful and helpful appliance in the modern world. This innovative unit provides easy access to essential water that we need many times a day to sustain excellent health. It eliminates the constant opening of the refrigerator to get chilled bottles, heating water, and buying bottled water. Due to so many choices in the market today, choosing one can be stressful. So how do you choose the right one? Well, this video is made to ease your predicament. We chose 5 of the popular and most trusted water dispensers and reviewed their individual features for your perusal. If you're ready, then let's get started. At number 1, we have the ENERGY STAR certified water dispenser from Glacier Bay. Without a doubt, this one proves its worth when it comes to performance, functionality, and durability. It's equipped with an anti-boil dry heating system that features a patented energy-saving kettle that delivers hot water in less than 3 minutes. Moreover, it uses 70% less energy compared to traditional models of hot and cold water dispensers. The stainless steel reservoir of this unit ensures clean and fresh water quality, which is essential for a healthy lifestyle. It dispenses cold, hot, and room temperature water conveniently, eliminating the need to open the fridge or boil water. The large fill zone is perfect for pitchers and big glasses. This 12.5 by 40 by 14 inch dispenser makes life more convenient. The bottom load design eliminates the hassle of lifting heavy water bottles or accidental spills, while the hidden cabinet accommodates 3 or 5 gallons of water. The UV-coated black piano gloss finish of the exterior with finger-proof stainless steel accents can match any office or home environment. It has a 6-foot cord that easily connects to any standard power outlet. Other features include indicator lights and automatic shutoff mechanism. This 39.5-pound water dispenser is covered by a 90-day return guarantee and a 1-year limited warranty. At number 2 is the Avalon bottom-loading water cooler dispenser. With clear-cut, clean lines designed with silver accents, this sleek, state-of-the-art type dispenser is excellent to any modern home living or office space. It offers 3 water temperatures, which pour into a glass or cup with the help of push-button spouts. Simply press the hot, cold, or room temperature option to enjoy your coffee or refreshing drink anytime you want. This high-performing dispenser is equipped with a heavy-duty compressor that delivers steaming hot water at approximately 180 degrees Fahrenheit, while the ice-cold water is 47 degrees Fahrenheit, which eliminates the need to add ice. To prevent any accidental burning, it comes with child safety locks on the hot water faucet. There's also an integrated nightlight that illuminates the water spouts, a nice inclusion which surely helps when you feel thirsty in the middle of the night. When it needs replacement, the empty bottle indicator will light up, reminding you to put in another bottle of 3 or 5 gallons of water. The bottom loading design makes refilling this unit more convenient and eliminates any potential spilling. This 41 by 12 by 13 inch water dispenser is ENERGY STAR rated, UL listed, and built from the highest grade 304 stainless steel. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Well, there go our first 2 top-rated water dispensers. If you're already familiar with either of them, it'll be our pleasure to hear your insight in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notifications when our newest videos get uploaded. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Vitapur countertop water cooler dispenser. If you don't have a lot of home or office space at your disposal, this compact, impressive construction is a real space saver. The simple all-black exterior look blends perfectly to any type of kitchen or pantry design. It features easy-to-use push-button controls that easily dispense ice-cold and room temperature water. It's a sensible alternative to assure easy access to clean and fresh water, which is a must for a healthy lifestyle. This unit uses 3 or 5 gallon water bottles. It also gives you the option to utilize the GWF8 or Vitapur water dispenser filtration system. It's equipped with an electric cooling system that works in whisper quiet operation, eliminating the issue of disturbing someone who's sleeping nearby and when you suddenly have to wake up at night to get a drink. It features LED green lights to signal that the power is on and a blue light when the water has cooled to the ideal temperature, ready for your favorite refreshment. The included drip tray makes cleanup more convenient. It weighs just under 6 pounds, so putting it from one place to another is a snap. Overall, this 11 by 15 by 11 inch countertop water cooler is a great investment to keep you rejuvenated throughout the day. It comes with a 90-day return guarantee and a 1-year limited warranty. Our next most popular product is the bottom-load electronic water cooler from Whirlpool. It looks elegant in sparkling stainless steel 2-color tone cabinet. The upscale look is ideal for a modern high-end kitchen, delivering high functionality and style, which is a distinct characteristic of this product. It features a bottom-loading technology which is basically designed to hide the water bottle from sight. This innovation makes the unit look more sophisticated and professional. It delivers top performance, providing fresh and clean water all the time. It's made possible by the internal technology that keeps bacteria at bay. It's equipped with Oxy 3 self-cleaning technology that utilizes reactive oxygen to kill the disease-causing bacteria and sanitize the water. Moreover, the Glacier Chill technology system uses ice for keeping the water in perfect icy cold condition, while the Hot Boost technology sustains the steaming hot temperatures by injecting preheated liquid into the hot water tank. These amazing features give you access to different types of refreshments around the clock. It also comes equipped with a set of LED lights that indicate optimum temperatures and self-cleaning mode. The LED Nightlight provides a subtle illumination which is ideal when you need a drink in the evening. This 15 by 40.5 by 12.5 inch water dispenser is backed up with a 1-year limited warranty. We're nearing the end of our list with one more product left to go. Then you can click the designated link of your favorite one to get it at a great price. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch more informative reviews on different products. And click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. And now, back to our list with the number 5 best water dispenser. Finally, we have the Frigidaire water cooler dispenser. You can now have piping hot or icy cold water whenever you need a drink. This unit uses a 420 watt heating system and a 100 watt cooling system, guaranteeing optimum temperatures for your hot or cold beverages. The heavy-duty compressor cooler of this unit keeps the water cold, eliminating the need to add ice cubes to make refreshing tea, juice, or anything you enjoy. The robust cabinet of this water dispenser has a stainless steel finish, giving an impression of elegance and durability. It blends well into any kind of kitchen or office decor, a nice investment for busy individuals who want instant access to clean water and ensure their health through proper hydration. This 30-pound, 13 by 42 by 12 inch water cooler can accommodate 3 or 5 gallons of water, whichever you prefer to fit your family's consumption. The removable drip receptacle eases cleanup and maintenance to ensure maximum protection for everyone. The indicator lights are welcome additions to its great features. So if convenience and hassle-free performance are your top requirements, then this unit is the answer. Each product is covered by a 90-day return guarantee and a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty to ease your peace of mind. A big part of keeping a healthy body and mind is drinking a lot of water. One of the best ways to reach that goal is to have a water dispenser at your home or office. We hoped we were able to enlighten you about the unique features of our listed products. If you've made up your mind and like to purchase one now, click the link of the product of your choice and get it at a great price. If you'd like to see any other products be reviewed, then leave a comment in the box below and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant your request. And please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications and for more product reviews. Join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for joining us on our review of the 5 best water dispensers. See you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.